Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube. I'm Roxie, and can you guys guess what I'm wearing? Okay, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. This is Instinct, but it's Instinct Luxury. Now, if you are familiar with Instinct, it's just a basic cap, right? Well, guess what? They brought you a lace front in the Instinct. I'm excited, and I know you guys are too. That way you can style it away from your face. Now, how I would style it, I kind of like it out from the ears, but I'm a tuck behind the ears kind of girl. So I would use just a little bit of water. Now I am wearing color G30+, which is such a famous color in Gabor. You have that dark auburn, those light ginger highlights. Ugh. You guys, you let me know in the comments what you think about Instinct Luxury by Gabor. I'm gonna do some fashion for you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys soon. Bye.